Gosh, what's wrong with your neck? Bro, have you got the mumps? Or what? Hey, wait a minute. This is Siamang, or in scientific language, Symphalangus syndactylus. His neck does expand when he wants to make a sound. One of the characteristics of Siamang is the throat sac located on the neck. With this bag, Siamang can make a unique and loud sound. It is so loud, this sound can be heard up to 3.2 kilometers away in the forest. They use this unique sound to mark territory. Not only that, this scream can also attract the opposite sex. Usually the sound of Siamang will be busier during the mating season from May to July. Wow, it looks like you're talented.